Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change navigation voice to English on Google Maps. First of all, you should know that this option is only available until now only for Android phones. So this option is not available for iPhones. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it. After that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down until you find settings. Go to navigation settings. And as you can see, there is an option called voice selection. Click on it. And here you can find all the voices available on your phone. So when you choose your voice, you have just to click on it and it will be chosen as the default voice on your Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.